Hey guys, this is Chase, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix high CPU usage on your PC. So I've got some applications running here. So what I'm going to do is take my mouse, I'm going to go down to my taskbar, right-click my taskbar, and then select Task Manager. The Task Manager will show me which operations are utilizing the most CPU, and I can organize it by clicking this button right here. It's already organized by which services are taking up the most CPU usage, and for me, it looks like Malwarebytes is taking up quite a bit. So if I'd like to cancel Malwarebytes using the most CPU, what I can do is right-click Malwarebytes and select End Task. We'll wait for a second for that to close. And now my CPU usage is back to normal. You'll see other services pop up and slide from top to bottom, and that's okay so long as my CPU usage is a pretty low number. And that's it. That's how you fix your high CPU usage on PC.